Hi guys, today I want to show you how to set up a Google business profile. So let's get started. Now open a new tab and search for Google business profile on Google. While you have searched for that, you can see the first option right here which says the Google business profile. Before it was initially called the Google My Business, but recently Google changed it to the Google business profile. So just go with the first option. So I'll click on the first option right there. And you can see the simple page display. Okay, so you can just do well to read along the page and understand what the Google business profile is. And if you're done with that, I'll just go ahead and click on the manage now. So we are due to get started filling the form, and on the first page we have the business name. I'll go ahead and enter my business name. Now after typing in your business name, just go ahead and click on continue. And here you have some options to choose if you are an online retail, a local store, or a service business. So I'm just going to select the service business. You can also select more than one, so let me just select also the online retail, and I click on next. And right here you have to enter your website address. Of course, if you want to run an online business, a business online, you should have a website. So I'll go ahead and enter my website address, and I click on next. Here you're going to search for your business category. So you click on this and you're going to type in the category that is most nearest to your business. So my business here is digital agency. Okay, now if you have something like this, that means there is no instance of digital agency on their database, right? So you can search for another thing nearest to your business. All right, now you can see I have something nearest to my business right here. So I'm going to select website designer, and of course I'm going to click on next. So it says, where do you serve your customers? And as you can see, this is optional. Now this is more needed if you are running a physical store. As you can see, it's optional. So it's more needed if you're running a physical store. But if you are running something online, of course you can deliver your services abroad. Then you can skip this. You can skip this for now. So for me, I'm running something online. I don't really need people to visit my physical store, so I'm just going to skip this for now, and I click on next. So you can see what region is your business based. So I'm going to select Nigeria, of course. Yeah, my business is based in Nigeria for now, so I click on next. And here it says add your phone number. You can see automatically your country is being detected from your browser. Okay, but if not, you can just click here to change your country. But I'm going to leave that for mine right now, and I enter my number right here, and I click on next. So you can see I have some options to select right here. You can see get news and tips about your business. If you want that, you can select this. Get invitations to participate in occasional surveys. If you still want that, you can select this, but I don't think I need any of these, so I'm going to click on continue to go to the next step. Now, to have your business show on Google among the Google business profiles, of course it has to be verified, but for now we are going to skip this. Of course, we're going to come back here later to verify our business. So for now, I'm just going to click on the verify later, and we can now add our services right here. So if any of these implies to your business, you can just click on this plus button to add them to your services. If not, you can just click on add new service right here and type it out yourself. So you can see application developments, of course, and I have mobile app development, yes. Software development, yes. Of course, I'm going to add one more, web design, right? Then I click on next. And here I can customize my business hours. Let's say I'm open on Monday, Tuesday, on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So let's say I'm closed on Sundays and Saturdays. So I'm just going to click on next. And right here, of course, we needed to select the particular hours which we are open. So open at, let's say, 24 hours. So I'll just go ahead and select for the whole days that I'm active. I'm I'm available for the whole 24 hours. Okay, so I click on next, and right here I can add my business description. Now I'm going to click on next. So when you're typing out your business description, make sure you're brief and straight to the point. So right here you can drag in any images that you wish. Okay, let me just select my images quickly. I have the image here. You can just choose to select your logo. So I just designed a sample banner, and you can see the banner right there. So I'll click on next. So it says advertise easily in minutes. Of course, I'm going to click on skip. And here, of course, another upsell. So I'm going to click on skip. I don't need this for now. So you can see your edits will be visible once you're verified. So that means we are not verified for now. So I'll click on continue, and I'll click on continue. So right here you have an opportunity to turn on the notification for your activities, right? So if you need that, you can turn on. If not, you can ask not to turn it on. Okay, so I'll just say ask me in 3 days. So here you can see you have this button and you have this notification. Customers can't see your business information. Get verified to let them find you on Google. Of course, you can click here to get verified, and that's just what you're going to do right away. So I click on get verified, and you can see the information that we just skipped earlier on. So right now I'm going to enter my address for my business. Okay, so I go ahead and do that. And when you're happy with the information you have entered, you can click on next, and here, bravo, you are now verified. So click on next, and of course I'm not going to advertise anything for now, so I skip, and I skip also. Of course I continue, and you can see Google is processing your verification. It may take up to 5 days. So earlier in the days, Google used to verify immediately you apply, but now I think you need to wait for not less than 24 hours. Okay, so if you get verified, you're going to receive an email on your Gmail for the Google account that you used. Okay, so you're just going to keep an eye on your Gmail and see if you get verified or not. But most of the times you obviously get verified if you use the correct information. So luckily, if you get verified, you can see right here your business will now be visible to customers. And of course, you can still go ahead to edit some information about your business. For example, your profile, you can click on edit profile. You can go ahead and edit some information about your business, also your phone number, your available hours, and all that stuff. And when you're happy, you can click on save. Okay, also you can still go ahead to read some reviews. That's when you get verified. You can check some photos, and also if there's any update about your business, you can check that. And then your performance, how many people get to see your business on Google. And also if you want to advertise your business to push it to more audience, you can click on advertise and you go to Google Ads. That's a separate thing from this video. So you can also add some products, and that's when you're verified. So let's click on add products. Of course, we're not going to do that right now, but then you can see you can add some products, some specific products from your business. You can add that right there, and they'll be displaying right here. Then for bookings, if your business accepts bookings, you can click here to set it up, and you can receive bookings from your customers directly from Google. You can also add some question and answers for people visiting your Google business profile. So guys, that's all I have for you in this video. If you learned something, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question or any other specific video request, you can leave it in the comment section. And if this is your first time seeing my YouTube channel, consider hitting the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.